Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to plant in a bamboo planter. Okay, so this is a raw bamboo planter which I got from the market. So since it's a wooden bamboo planter, I wouldn't suggest you planting directly. So in such cases, I will tell you how to plant in a bamboo planter. Okay, so since this was raw, I just made gave it a makeover, and I painted this into some dot art painting, so it looks much more prettier now. So the inside is just raw. Okay, so I will tell you how to plant. So for this, this is around about 3 to 4 inch diameter, not even 4, I think about 2 to 3 inches. So you will require a small pot like this, or like this. Okay, so these small pots have drainage hole. I've covered the drainage hole with some rocks, and now I'm going to plant it. Okay, so first you fill the pot with some soil. Then moisten the soil a bit. And then just stick the stems of the cuttings that you have into this. Now this particular plant is known as Hemigraphis. Okay, so when you stick this stem into the soil, make sure that one node at least goes into the soil. So the roots will come out from this node. So just stick it into this. Similarly, this node should go enter the soil. Yes. And then add some more soil over it. So this will look like this. So you can add some more water if you want to the soil. And then you can keep it like this. So this is how we plant into bamboo planter. So here I have some mini pots which have already been planted. This is a Cryptanthus, and this is a agave and monstera palm together, assorted, two plants in one thing. So similarly you can plant it in this way, Instead of direct planting, just put the small pots like this and display it wherever you want. And whenever you have to water, just pick it up from the bamboo planter and water it like this. And water, if this plant is kept indoors, watering has to be just done twice a week in this summer season. Otherwise in the monsoon and winters, it's just once a week. So you can have 2-3 pots like this made, and every week you can just keep changing the whole look of it,